I know you have questions, I don't have answers. Clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better. Putting on the
Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today's video is a short one, a continuation from last week's video. If you can remember, if you've seen it, it was a decluttering of my closets and my bedroom. But if you also remember, there was one more thing I needed to do, which was to declutter these cabinets that I have in my bedroom. There's a lot of drawers that just have so much junk in them, things that sometimes I haven't seen in like years. Okay, so I just need to go through them and empty them and get rid of some things to just make them a little more accessible and easier to use, and just to stop hoarding all this stuff and to finally dedicate the time necessary to go through all these like papers and things like that I had in here. So I hope you will stick around and see as I again just offload so much from this room that was just occupying so much.
hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard.
So I have a little more clothes that are saved in this drawer here. I am just gonna go through them. They're just the skirts and a few dresses that I don't hang up. I just put them in this drawer. For some reason, I feel like I don't have a lot of space in the closet, so this is what I use this drawer for. So I'm just gonna go through the ones that I never wear and donate those, and then put back the things that I do wear. I also was doing laundry this day, so I do have a few more things that are in the wash right now that eventually will go in here, or not in the drawer with the dresses or skirts, but like in the other drawers. So I'm just emptying them, so it might seem a little empty right now, and that's just false. I do have a few more things that will go in there, but they will not be as full as they are at the beginning.
Baby, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I
think it would have been a great idea if I had little containers or baskets to put in the drawers for compartmentalizing, which is something I like. But I don't have those right now, so I'm just putting them back in the drawer as they were, but just, you know, minimizing the amount of stuff that were in there, because I really don't need that much and I don't use most of those things. So I'm just putting them back as is, but in the future I will try to find some like boxes or little containers to organize them better in. So my major issue with these drawers in my bedroom is that every single drawer has become a like sort of an everything drawer, which it shouldn't be. And so my goal for this little project is just to have a designated spot for everything. So even if it doesn't necessarily look extremely organized, like in little baskets and containers, it's good enough for me right now if I just have a spot for everything and organize them like in a theme. That way I just open the drawer if I'm looking for, you know, something specific. So instead of like looking through all the drawers looking for a specific thing, because everything is everywhere. So that's the goal, and let's see if I can manage that.
Pull myself together to not give myself the pressure.
So one of the things I was dreading about this project is tackling this mini side table right here, because the drawers just have so much paperwork in them. Some of the papers are important, some of them are not. I hate going through paperwork. It's not something I enjoy, and I end up just holding on to every single piece of paper that I think I might need one day. And so this is what I have out of those drawers, and I need to go through each single one of them.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like he does whatever while he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. myself together, to not give myself the pressure.
I wanted to quickly mention that these 3 drawers right here on the dresser, I didn't declutter those just because they have items that belong to my husband and he needs to go through them and sort through. So I haven't decluttered them, if you noticed earlier when I was working on the dresser. So that is why I only focused on the 3 big drawers on the left, in case you're wondering.
Felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life.
And that is it for this video. I hope you can see sort of like the themes that I have now for these drawers. They make sense to me. I know where to go for certain things, and I suggest you do something similar if you're trying to organize your drawers as well. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to link last week's video here as well for you to refer to if you want to see the full transformation of this bedroom, which was a huge undertaking. It was a huge job just to organize everything, and so I'm really happy with how the room has turned out. But now I'm really happy with how even these drawers are now organized. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, stay well, and we will see you next time. Bye.
No going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.